I'm from Chicago, born and raised. I remember at a young age, I started working basically when I was about 8 years old. I had an entrepreneur mindset, I think, from day one. And any way I could make a dollar, I was in on it. About when I was 23, one of my best friends moved out to Arizona. And I came out and visited him a few times and just really fell in love with Arizona. So I flew out here with a suitcase and my bowling balls, and that's all I came here with. I didn't know about HVAC. I didn't know anything about it. But my buddy, he was doing HVAC and he went to RSI. I went to work with him one day and just saw what he did, and I was like, this is cool. I mean, this is hands-on. It's something I could do. So shortly after that, I just signed up with RSI. I started air control back in 2015. When I started the business, I was just happy to work for myself and be my own boss. But after a few years, you're like, okay, well, what am I doing here? Am I just owning a job, or do I really want to create a business? And beginning of last year, I said, I really want to grow this business. I want to build a legacy and a big company that's well known throughout the valley. One of the greatest things about heating and air conditioning, like you can go to somebody's house and they're fearful. Like they think their AC's out, it's getting to be 90 degrees in their house, and then you can go out there and then you save the day. And I joke around with my buddies. I said, man, I really need to get a cape, because I'm like a superhero. I go in these houses and I fix the AC. I need to wear a cape and be like, all right, you guys' AC is back up and running. We're good to go. The business has impacted my life in the last 5 years in a way that I never knew was possible. That feels really good that I'm out here like building a business, and it's a business that people like to do business with. Overall, it's been a great experience, and just being able to live the American dream. I'm George Blitch, and I'm very happy to be an RSI graduate.